What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
See some love, it's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Now real quick before I get into this video, if this is your first time here, please feel free to smash that subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell icon as well so that you get all my latest videos as soon as I publish them. Now that we got that out the way, let's start the show. Today I wanted to show you the Klipsch X12 Neckband Headphones.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
So here they are, the Klipsch X12 Neckband Headphones. You can find these, of course, on Amazon or the Klipsch website as well. They go for about $400, and as always, I will have all the links down below in the description. These headphones right here, they come in two different colors. They come in a brown color, and they also come in a black color. Okay, so real quick, if I go around the box, on the front, you got high definition, aptX, and ACC streaming, that's the Bluetooth quality, feather light, small size, audiophile balanced armature, X12 neckband Bluetooth headphones. It says X12i on here, but on the website they're only labeled as X12. 1 year limited warranty, 5 Hz to 19 Hz, 15 ohms, 110 decibels, diffusion, aptX and ACC. It shows you all the contents that comes in the box. Audiophile balanced armature, patented oval ear tips, neckband vibration for phone calls, genuine leather neckband, and up to 18 hours of battery life. And also the mic that's on the neckband is a CVC 6.0 microphone. To be honest with you, I don't know what CVC stands for, but if you do, this is what this has. So just to let you know. Keepers of the sound, so comfortable, it's patented, legendary sound plus great fit. When you first open up the box, here's that neckband that they were talking about, made with genuine leather. Inside this bag, we got an owner's manual. We got the Comply premium ear tip headphones. It looks like a user guide on how to use them. We got some additional tips. Comply premium earphone tips, and then you have a USB to USB charging cable. And also underneath here, you have a nice case for your headphones. I don't believe this is real leather. It doesn't feel like real leather. It's a nice case to say the least. I'm not mad at that. At least they provided something. So the ear tips that come with these headphones, there are 2 double flange ear tips and there are 3 single flange ear tips. The single flange ear tips, I believe, range from small, medium, and large, and the double flange ear tips, I believe, are just small and large, or large and medium. Anyways, there's just 2. You also get these ear tips, the Comply premium ear tips, and I have them installed on the headphones already. As you can see, they're a memory foam. Let me see if I can focus on that. And as you can see here, they're like a memory foam, and if you squeeze them, they smush together, and over about 10-15 seconds they'll reform and get snug in your ears. I put these ones on here instead of the contour ones simply because I was wearing these last night and I was trying out all different tips, and I've never used these Comply ear tips. These aren't noise canceling headphones, but with these ear tips on them, the memory foam ones, they definitely make them like noise canceling. And these would be my go-to if I were to use these headphones on a regular basis. So real quick, we go around these headphones. As you can see, the overwhelming neckband up top, this is real leather, and I'm guessing the reason why this neckband is so big is because they put the battery in here, and I'm not sure if they have that big battery in here for the 18-hour battery life that they're advertising, but I'll get back to this, how I feel about this. As you go down the headphones, you got the classic copper accents of the Klipsch branding, which is synonymous with their company. The wiring coming from the headband all the way down into the monitors is encased in a plastic tubing. And then you also have what they call the electroplated steel exoskeleton. It's just the part that extends from the neckband down to the controls. On the right control, we have the play button, we have, the play button. On the controls, on the right control, you have the volume up button, you have the volume down button, and the multi-function switch in the middle is to play and pause music and to answer and to end phone calls. And also, if you want to reject the phone call, you just hold down this multi-function button for I think about 2-3 seconds and it'll reject the phone call. On the inside, you have the charging port, which takes the USB mini charging cable. Now on the left side, you have the power button, which also doubles as the Bluetooth button. And then on the back of it, you have a switch that can enable or disable the vibration when you get phone calls, which comes from the left side as well. Now going down to the headphone monitors, I got some literature about these headphones. Audiophile balanced armature. Utilize a custom KG926 balanced armature placed inside of a mill aluminum housing. X12 neckband headphones achieve full range response from a tiny form factor. Ported and vented, the balanced armature drivers deliver classic tube amplifier sound and unmatched bass performance. With a warm and lush soundstage, the K926 produces dynamics only rivaled by multi-armature counterparts. Now, it says bass. To be honest with you, yes, you do have bass coming out of these headphones, but you don't have much simply because they're in ear and not over ear. They're not like overwhelming bass, nothing that's gonna rattle your head or anything. But yeah, they do produce a little bit of bass in my opinion. And then also, I forgot to mention, you have a microphone port on the inside of the right side of the headphones, and it's an advanced remote plus clear voice mic. Offers full control of most smartphone models including Android and Apple devices, allowing for seamless control of music and phone calls. Equipped with CVC X12 neckband Bluetooth, automatically enhancing voice clarity and actively reduces environmental noise to ensure you sound loud and clear. Some things I forgot to mention about the Bluetooth. So the range on the Bluetooth is about 33 feet. It's just like setting up any other Bluetooth device, to be completely honest with you. You hold this Bluetooth button down for about 5 seconds. You look for the signal on your phone and you connect, and then they connect. If you connected to one Bluetooth headphones, then most likely you connected to them all, to be honest with you. Also, these headphones are IPX4 splash proof. Splash resistant. It says splash. IPX4 water resistant. Same thing. It doesn't matter. And if you hold down the play pause button for about 3 seconds, you'll get access to the voice assistant on your phone, whether you're on an iOS device or Android device. So after reviewing these neckband headphones from Klipsch, I'm impressed by the sound. The sound, that's the only thing, to be honest with you, that impressed me. The sound and these Comply ear tips, these foam inserts. I believe that all in-ear style headphones, all companies that make in-ear style headphones should try to find a way to incorporate this into their headphones, simply because these things are amazing. I don't know if you tried them before. I've never tried them before. I've had these, but these things are definitely amazing. The neckband, to be honest with you, I get it. This is not something that you will work out, and you normally don't work out in neckband headphones, but to me, it's just too big. It's just extremely too big. And when I slide these on, and if I look back, look, it raises up like that. I don't like that. I really don't like that. I just think that Klipsch try too hard with these headphones to make them into something more complicated than what they really need to be. They could have slimmed this band down a little bit, like on the, if you take a look at that, I'll put a picture up right here. The band is a little bit slimmer and it's not so bulky. Battery life probably takes a suffer, but aesthetically, that is just a better look. And then also these wires, you see how long these wires are? They look extremely long. If I put these headphones on, they go all the way down almost to my belly button. And it just, I don't really like how long these wires are. I don't know what they could have done to adjust it, but they just seem too long for me. To have them hanging down right there, it just seems too long. They really couldn't use a magnet system on these monitors simply because how small they are, or maybe they could have put something on the side right here to clip the headphones onto while they're not in use. That's just my opinion. You might think different. You just might love Klipsch so much for the sound quality that you're willing to pay the $400 for these headphones. But in my opinion, I would go with a cheaper model with a more thought out design. I know they spent time on this design. I'm not saying that they didn't, but in my own opinion, I just believe that they could have done better on these are like their flagship neckband headphones. They're their $400 ones. So I think they could have done a lot better on something like that. I cannot recommend that you buy these headphones. The sound quality is great, but I think if you go to a lower model, you get the same sound quality as the lower models. I'm not sure. I might go ahead and review the X6s next, just to compare the sound quality between the X12s and the X6s. I can't recommend buying these headphones simply because I don't like the design. And you might like that answer, you might not like that answer. This is just my opinion. Let me know how you feel in the comments down below. And also, so I was moving around a little bit with these headphones and they kept twisting a little bit. They obviously they couldn't twist all the way like this. They couldn't twist all the way like this, but they did keep twisting a little bit and I had to keep readjusting it. It was kind of annoying. Maybe I'm just being too picky about these, but that's my take on the Klipsch X12 headphones. And as always, thanks for watching the Tech Love channel. Please, if you have not done so already, smash that subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified when I'm dropping new tech videos. And if you have any questions about these, leave your comments down below, share, like this video, and I appreciate you watching. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.